going to be renovating, and right now we have taken down the gazebo and everything is just plain. We haven't even gotten started with the deck that we're going to restain, and I just want to take you along so you can see the before pictures of what our backyard looks like. So follow me. We want to turn our backyard into a beautiful, chic outdoor oasis. We want to feel like we are at a resort on vacation or at a chic restaurant or bar on a rooftop patio. Especially because we can't travel right now, turning our backyard into an oasis will really help with our mental health by enticing us to spend more time outdoors, get fresh air, and expand the spaces where we can hang out at our home. Our goal is to make this an extension of our house and utilize all the spaces of our property. Also, we not only want to make it a beautiful space, but more importantly, a functional space.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. So, as Lindsay was saying, we are looking at doing some renovations on the backyard. We've already shown you a little bit about what it looks like currently right now, but I'll just give you guys a little bit of a backstory of where we came from. So the backyard, the deck has been recently lightly sanded, but it has not been professionally stained yet. Now we are going to get it professionally stained, but right now it is still a little discolored just due to the winter. So the deck looks a little bit winterized right now. This deck has been here for perhaps maybe 7 or 8 years, but it definitely is the right time to start getting it redone. Now, if you come with me, I'm going to show you a little bit more. So down here we have a mulch pit that will be taken up. Our plan is to get rid of this mulch pit and replace it with stones. So I think that's a much better plan. It's much more feasible. It's easier to maintain. Actually, the mulch pit was very difficult, and some animals may like that. I don't know why, so it just was not working out. But I think adding stones there as a replacement, perhaps like white stones, for example, is a much more feasible, low-maintenance option, especially for business professionals like myself and Lindsay. So if you take a look on this back wall here, we have the lattice. So this lattice is crumbling. It's been here probably about the same time as well. And actually, as you can see, it's very brittle. It's been very weathered. And here in the north, it does get very, very, very cold, and we go through all 4 seasons. So for 7 years, this is what happens to it. It's very brittle, flaky. So if you also take a look back here as well, we'll be replacing these lattices out and the tops of them with new 2x4. I think it's just the right thing to do. It is the right time for that, and it will kind of go in with the full design that we're planning to do back here. So back here, what we're planning on doing is we are planning on perhaps adding a canopy to the back. This table will be out of here, including all the old furniture over there. We are looking at sanding the ground. We are looking at adding some rugs, some planters. We are planning on adding some new seating over here, a section over here with some carpeting. And once everything is all done, I think you will really enjoy it. So stick around with us. We definitely want to show you more. And even on the back wall, pardon me, before I go on further here, we are planning on adding in some solar powered lighting, some motion sensors, etc. And I think you'll really enjoy that. So stick around. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, as you can see, today is day 3. Yesterday we had this beautiful gazebo put up, and today we're going to be getting this privacy lattice replaced. As you can see, there's our contractors on site. It's going to be working with us, and after today, once this piece gets put in, you'll get to see the final project.
So as you can see, this is a soft top gazebo, a canvas gazebo. However, we do prefer a steel frame gazebo or a solid wood frame gazebo or pergola. However, we've settled on a soft top gazebo for now because we plan to keep it for 2 to 3 years. And after that, we'll think about whether or not we'd like to keep it or get rid of it at that point.
We want to make sure that the rest of the projects around the backyard get done first, so that the final step is the stain and the deck doesn't get ruined. So We have put up the gazebo and it's looking great. No complaints, can't wait to use it. It has a mesh that we'll be able to unzip and then like zip up to keep the bugs out, and then have shade to protect us from the sun. And then we'll be putting furniture in the gazebo where we'll be relaxing. So this is an empty space down here that we weren't using for anything. It was here when we bought the house previously, so we've never used it and it's just wasted space. So we wanted to transform this area into a functional spot to use. So we decided to go with cement tiles, and so these are the tiles that we received and they just got dropped off. So we got the lattice put in as well, and we went with a black lattice instead, and this just looks so sharp to us. And once you see the stain, which I'm going to keep a secret right now, we're hoping, fingers crossed, that the colors we chose really turn out.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Cadell, and I'm doing a full backyard transformation. Today, what we're doing is we're installing some Unilock Cadell smooth pavers with a Corthon basalt accent. Pretty much the work we're doing is opening the area here to create more seating and more usable area. We're also going to be using lots of lights to illuminate the area. My business name is oasis Landscapes. We specialize in full scope landscaping, so anything from hardscaping to softscaping, plants, flowers, grass, backyard patios, decks, fences. So pretty much anything that falls under that full range of services. This project was a little bit challenging in the beginning, trying to figure out what would be the best stones to use that would really match everything. But I was able to find something that would work really good. So we're just making progress with that.
Our contractor. We hired Cadell from Blue Basin, who did an amazing job bringing our vision to life. We couldn't be more pleased with the incredible interlock stonework and seating Cadell constructed on his own by scratch. Cadell was easy to work with, and anything we wanted, he was sure to deliver. I will list Cadell's contact information below if you need any landscaping or stonework done for your property. Our backyard gets a lot of sun in the morning and afternoon, but by 4 p.m. the sun is all gone. This has really discouraged us in the past to hang out back here past 4 p.m. We are going to solve this problem by setting up a lighting system that will allow us to use our backyard at any time of the day and still feel inviting and cozy.
Hey Cadell, so what are you working on over there?
I'm working on lighting, as you can tell by all these tangled wires over there.
Yeah.
So that back there is a wedge light.
Yeah.
This here sits underneath my coping.
Okay.
So I'm just trying to find out the best way to get my wires in.
Yep.
So that this is here sits underneath my coping.
Yep.
And creates a nice illumination down onto these beautiful pavers here.
Right.
So just trying to figure out the few final steps of that. We've got the transformer over here.
Yeah.
Just trying to do a plug-in test, make sure all type of lighting works.
Yep.
And that's pretty much the gist for today.
Oh.
We're working against the weather, so we're trying to be very
Efficient. Got it. All right. So I'm going to stay out of your way. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.
Appreciate it.
All right. No problem.
So now is the fun part. We just had some furniture delivered to us from Article, a company that is Canadian owned based, and we're going to set up 2 lounge chairs, and they're the Aura lounge chairs in the color slate gray, as well as a Halden round table in the color charcoal. And we also have an area rug that we're going to set up, and it's not from Article, but we got it from Wayfair. Everything will be in the description box below. We really like the black, white, and gray theme. We also love the idea of making the backyard look like our living room, therefore laying out outdoor carpets, having comfortable furniture, lots of lighting, and plenty of beautiful flowers to bring out those pops of color. Article offers high quality outdoor furniture that's designed to last. All of their pieces are unique and stunning. On their website, they have lots of ideas on how you can transform your space into an elegant, serene environment. They have matching sets, or you can buy individual pieces that you can mix and match. Either way you choose, the pieces really come together and look fantastic. Article is easy to order online and the furniture gets delivered to your door. They provide you with an estimated date of when it will arrive. The furniture looks like it's meant for the indoors, but it's actually for outdoors. So far, I'm so impressed with the quality that Article provides. It's very durable, the color's great. I love this little touches that they put Article's name right here. The installation so far is going to be super simple. We just took the packaging out. It has some legs, good hard quality, and very simple to put together. Nothing like I've ever experienced before. It's usually very complicated. Anyone can put this together. And I'm so excited about like the cushions. They're so thick and they look like it's just super comfortable that you can just melt into the seat. So I'm just gonna put this chair together. It should be done in probably 15 minutes. It's gonna be so simple. Here's the finished product by Article. It's their slate gray lounge chair and also the side table, and it took about 15 minutes for each item to put together, so very quick, very easy. It takes 2 people. There's just a couple screws to put together and the quality is amazing. That's what stood out to me the most. It looks even better than it did online, and the reviews that I seen, they were raving about the products that they have. It's going to last a very long time if you take really good care of the furniture. You can get furniture covers to put over it each night, or you can store it away in a cabinet. The cushions are super comfortable, super thick. It feels as if you're sitting in a living room, relaxing. But instead you're on your patio. So I love everything that we purchased so far, and I definitely recommend Article. And I just feel like I've never put together furniture so quickly, so easy. It was painless. I can't stop raving about this product, and the color is amazing. It's gonna go really good with the color of our deck once we stain it, and I'm excited to show you how that looks. We had our deck pressure washed ahead of time, then waited for the weather to cooperate before we were able to hire a contractor to stain our deck. We went with a solid gray stain, which went with our color scheme and matched our house. This solid stain should last up to 5 to 7 years, fingers crossed. We went with a solid stain over semi-solid stain because we wanted something low maintenance and would last longer. We wanted to add lots of colorful plants that would bring this space to life. Because we wanted to be ultra comfortable, it was important for us to do our research to find plants that would deter pests such as bees, insects, raccoons. Every year we seem to have a different pest that would want to take over our backyard, and I couldn't blame them. We weren't using our backyard much. But through research, we discovered there were certain plants that would keep the pest away so we could enjoy our space in peace. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out my next video, my curly hair routine for 2021. See you in the next one. Bye!